Hello everyone. After immersing myself in Kyoto's cultural richness in my previous video, my journey continues to the energetic streets of Osaka. Get ready for this vibrant experience as we dive into the bustling Dotonbori district. The dynamic blend of tradition and modernity at Osaka Castle and many more. So yes, let's get started. To travel from Kyoto to Osaka, I took a bullet train and it took me around 15 to 20 minutes to reach there. After settling down in my Airbnb, it's time for now some digital artwork. Check this out. This is Team Lab's Botanical Garden that combines nature with interactive digital art, offering visitors a mesmerizing experience of light displays and immersive projections. Next up is Universal Studio. Well, this would be an action-packed day starting with one of its kind, the Super Nintendo World. The infra here makes you feel like you are in a Mario game. I would definitely recommend you to try on Mario Kart ride. It is super fun. The Universal Studio has many other areas to choose from, right from Minion Park, Jurassic Park to Wizarding World of Harry Potter. One more activity that you must not miss is the parade. The parade features iconic characters from movies and TV shows with colorful costumes, catchy music, and intricate choreography, combined to create a memorable experience. Start your day with the historic landmark of Osaka, the Osaka Castle. This impressive castle is known for its striking five-story structure with massive stone walls surrounding it. The castle underwent various renovations over the centuries, blending traditional Japanese design with modern restoration techniques. Today, it stands as a symbol of Osaka's resilience and serves as a popular tourist attraction, offering visitors a glimpse into Japan's past through its impressive fortress walls, towering structure, and surrounding gardens. If you are in cherry blossom season or autumn season, going up is a must. Located in the Namba district of Osaka is the Namba Yashaka Shrine, a picturesque Shinto shrine known for its distinctive lion-shaped stage. This huge lion's mouth is believed to swallow evil spirits, banishing plague and disease, bringing good luck, and ensuring safe delivery. Well, the best place to see the panoramic view of Osaka is at Haruka's 300. Standing 300 meters tall, this tower was the tallest skyscraper in Japan until 2023. The observation deck occupies the building's top 3 floors and would definitely recommend you to come here just before the sunset. Additionally, you can also go to the helipad to take the breathtaking view of Osaka. Unfortunately, we couldn't go there due to strong winds. Shinsekai, a vibrant district in Osaka, known for its nostalgic atmosphere and distinct retro vibe. This area was developed before the World War and has remained largely untouched over the years. At night time, the whole area lights up. You will find many old restaurants with huge signboards and lighting streets. The center of this area has a 103-meter high Sutenkaku Tower where you can go up to see the panoramic view of Shinsekai. The most vibrant, most colorful, and the most famous area of Osaka is Dotonbori. Just look at those signboards, it is crazy. I have never seen anything like this. There is so much to do in this area, right from taking the river cruise, going on an oblong-shaped Ferris wheel, taking a picture at the various famous Glidecoman, and trying out food at various restaurants and food stalls. Definitely a must-visit place in Osaka. So that's it from this video. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you guys.